Welcome back. This year again, we are unboxing an Apple Hermès Series 7. Here we have the standard orange box. It pulls out of the right-hand side here. This is the space black stainless steel Apple Watch Hermès. We've got two boxes, one with the band and then one with the watch face in it. So if we open up just this here, we have a nice little microfiber cloth. I believe this is going to be the leather band. Yep, here we have the leather strap. This is the double tour. Looking at my wife, I'm trying to remember what I purchased this year. So this is the Bleu Lin Attelage double tour. That is what we got this year. It's a very thin band. If I take a look at it, it's thinner than my pinky here. All right, set that aside. Open up the watch face. Oh, it does not open. There's a little pull tab on the back here. Okay, there we go. That slides off like it should. So this again has the nice little design by Apple in California and Hermès in Paris. If I look inside this little thing, we have the blurb about the Apple Watch: uncompromising craftsmanship, pioneering innovation, groundbreaking functionality. Apple Watch Hermès is the culmination of a partnership based on parallel thinking, singular vision, and mutual regard. So we also have the black sport band. This particular sport band, and I believe this is going to have the Hermès branding on it. So if I open this up, it does. So it's really hard to see. And I don't, oh, there we go. Got it in focus. So it says Apple Watch Hermès right there. Very soft sport band plastic. Here we have the Apple Watch charger. Let's pull this out and see if anything's different about this particular one. So this is USB-C. And it's got the, let's go ahead and pull this out. It's interesting. It's a matte surface on the back of the watch charger. I believe that the previous generations were shiny. Here we have the previous one. It's got the shiny versus the matte metal. Interesting that they went to matte on that. And here is the watch face. So it's again wrapped in a paper of sorts here, and it should, I feel like it should pop right out, but it's always tighter than I expect. So, I mean, I could try to keep pushing that and maybe send it across the room, but I'm just going to tear the paper instead. So here we have the space black Apple Watch Hermès Series 7. While that is booting up, I'll bring over my wife's previous Apple Watch here. So for comparison's sake, here is one of the previous double tours that my wife owns, and we can see how it is a little bit thicker. I'll go ahead and pop this on. And I'll pop this side on the top. So one of the things that they continue to do is sell the leather bands with the stainless steel silver, and then they sell the watch face in the stainless steel space black. And for a while now, we've hoped that they would sell more bands with the black metal. We would even be willing to wait. You know, if you could special order this band with the black metal, I think that would be a really neat feature. Perhaps Apple and Hermès will come out with that collaboration, but as of right now, we're on Series 7 and we're not at that point. So hopefully in the future, you can get watch bands that match. It is something that once you get used to it, it doesn't bother us per se, more so that we would just like it if they did offer that. So there it is with the really thin band stretched out. So unfortunately, well, yeah, my wrist is too big to stretch this all the way around and actually connect. So this would not work on my wrist. So for a moment here, I'm going to have my wife put her wrist in. Here we have the double tour on the top, and then on the bottom of the wrist, here is what the double tour looks like on the bottom. Actually really very pretty watch band. If I run the font size up, we can see that the font size can get rather large on the new Apple Watch. And I think this is the first moment I'm noticing that because of the new curved edge display, you can see that it runs a lot closer to the edge of the Apple Watch. I'll go ahead and put this back to where it started, which was just 2 notches up from the bottom. So on here, we see that we're using the Noir watch face right now. And then there's the Noir watch face on the watch. So we can actually go into the watch and we can just tap and hold in order to get into the watch face gallery. You could also edit the watch faces directly from the phone in the Apple Watch app if you wanted. All right, come in here and tap new. And let's say new watch faces. So there's the contour watch face that shows off the new contour display. The Hermès circuit, it doesn't look like that takes advantage of the edges. The modular duo, portraits, world time, those are the new faces that they're demoing. Let me go ahead and add the contour here. Style gives me rounded style or the regular style. So this was hard for me to see what was changing. Under the regular style, if we look at the 10 o'clock, there is a flat edge on the 1. And if I go to the rounded style, then instead of having a flat edge on the 1, there's now a rounded edge on the 1. So it looks like the way that the numbers end are either rounded or straight if you're in regular there. So I will leave it on. I think I like the regular right now. Dial color. So this allows you to keep a black dial on the background, or if you wanted, you can actually go colored on the dial being colored and then the numbers being white. And then the color of the watch face. So right now I'm on Hermès. There's a really cool rainbow watch face there. At the very bottom, there's tap to add more colors. So there's the fall 2021 colors, summer 2021, spring 2021, and it looks like it goes way back and shows you different colors from different years. So this must be a new feature of the OS. This helps you match the bands from the previous years. So if you have a specific band color from a specific year, you can come in and choose which watch face matches that. So right now, all of the fall colors are on. The 2020, the summer colors are not on, but if I wanted, I could tap to add one of those onto the watch. And then I could go through and choose these. I would have a really hard time remembering their names between the two, so if I were having to do that, I would have to turn some on and turn some off in order to better understand the colors, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it on the rainbow for right now. And this shows off the contour screen, so you can see that it goes all the way up to the left, bottom, right, and top edge. Something to demonstrate here, this is the always on display, uses a thinner weighted font, and then when you wake the display by moving your wrist, it gets thicker, bolder fonts. I wanted to see if they offered the dial color. Yep, so if you want, you can switch this so then there's the color on the background, and that gets blown out by our camera right now. And then the edges of the display are all in white. Let me see if that focuses. So there it is on the always on display, and then when you wake it up, let me see if I can get it to wake. There we go. So now it's woken up and it has the full dial color. That's pretty nice. So they've got the larger screen with the contour design that allows the watch faces and apps to take up more of the screen. And then taking a look at what else was in the box. If you look back to our last video from the Series 6, they were still including the charging brick. And we thought that was odd because Apple had mentioned that they weren't going to be including the charging brick. Looks like later that year they removed the brick, and again this year they've definitely shipped it without the brick, which is really nice. We have a bunch of bricks around the house. So we've no brick, USB-C charging cable, the watch face, the leather strap that we purchased, and the black sport band with the Hermès branding is what came in this particular box this year. All right, and that is the Apple Watch Hermès Series 7, and thank you guys so much for watching.